Welcome to the Introduction to CSV Column Extractor. In this tutorial we'll guide you through the steps to effortlessly extract columns from your CSV files. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your browser and search for www.onlinetools.com/CSV. The CSV Column Extractor lets you quickly export one or multiple columns from any CSV file. Whether you need data based on column position or column name, this tool makes it effortless. In this section we'll walk through some examples of using the CSV Column Extractor tool. Let's dive in and see how it works with real data. Let's extract the first column from a dataset containing programming languages. We select Extract by Position, enter 1, and boom! The tool gives us a CSV with just the language column. Here we extract book titles by selecting Extract by Name and entering Book. Since book appears twice in the file, we activate Extract All Copies of Names, and the tool pulls both columns. We even format the output as a JSON array. Now let's extract multiple columns: name, film, year, and hair color, using a mix of ranges and individual selections, 1 to 3, 5. We also activate Do Not Extract Comments and Do Not Extract Empty Lines for a clean result. The extracted columns are formatted as JSON objects. Thank you for following along. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to try these techniques on your own datasets. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. More online tools for you. Check out our previous videos on increment integer digits, modify numeric values in bulk, change CSV delimiter, easily convert CSV delimiters. Enjoyed this tutorial? Like, share, and subscribe for more awesome online tools. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next video.